Today, I am going to tell you a little bit more about the promotion tools that we offer. And since there is a lot that we offer when it comes to promoting, today's webinar will focus on the beginner-friendly ones. I will also run a webinar where I will talk about the advanced promotion options. Without further ado, let's have a look at the topics we'll go through today. So I will start off by introducing featured offers. Here I will tell you what featured offers are, how much they cost, and how to use them. Then we will move on to Allegro Ads Express. We will go through the Allegro Ads Express campaigns. I think it's the best starting point when it comes to advertising through this tool. We will later move on to the deal zone so that you can understand what it is and what it offers. There is a separate webinar that explains everything about the deal zone in detail though. Then I will tell you about the 0.5% commission list and Allegro Smart. And at the very end of today's webinar, we will talk a little bit more about product series. If you decide to feature your offer, it will be displayed above other offers that did not use this option. However, before using this tool, I suggest that you do a little bit of a category research. Why is that? Because depending on the category, the feature is going to work a little bit differently. If there are a lot of promoted offers, using featured only isn't going to get you on the first page. You always need to remember about the quality of the offer. So, if you want to find out more about how exactly our search engine works and what to do to have a better positioning, I do highly recommend that you join our webinar on effective offers where you can learn more about it. But I just want you to keep in mind that the quality is very important when it comes to positioning. So, first of all, please do remember to make sure that the quality of your offer is good, and then think about the promoting. So, now we will move on to Allegro Ads Express. Allegro Ads is a self service advertising system on Allegro. With this system, you can advertise your offers in the best locations on allegro.pl, as well as in the advertising networks of Google, Facebook, and affiliated platforms. We run a separate webinar where you can learn about Allegro Ads in details, and we also do have a dedicated course on Allegro Academy. So if you would like to find out more, you can complete it or join the webinar, or you can do both. Ads are context related and are selected and displayed in response to the user's searches and their actions on the Allegro platform. This helps reach people who may really be interested in purchases and increases the chances to make a sale. Let me give you an example. So, if someone is interested in, let's say, buying sneakers, we will not show them hundreds of high heels. We will show them sneakers. Ads Express is a convenient and simplified way to use Allegro ads. It will save your time and help you create effective ads in your selling account without even signing into the Allegro ads dashboard. How to get started? After signing into Allegro, you need to go to My Sales section and select Allegro ads in promotion tools. You need to specify your daily budget that you want to invest in your ads and decide if you want the ads for your offers to be active in Google Ads in addition to advertising on Allegro. Then the system will automatically select your best offers. A little hint here, as you can see on the slide, there is a green area. And this green area in the daily budget slider shows the proposed optimum amount range for your offers. This is worth taking into account at the start of your activities. Next, we have our loved program, Allegro Smart. This is our loyalty program, which is loved by all the Poles. I personally am a Smart user and I absolutely love it. In my experience working with sellers, Joining Smart was usually one of the first things they would ask me about. So, what do you have to do to join Smart, and how does it actually work? Well, buyers can subscribe to Allegro Smart and simply get free deliveries from the sellers who offer smart deliveries. Smart users also buy 2.5 times as often as regular customers, and smart sellers grow 5 times quicker than those who do not provide smart. So, this is definitely a great way to boost your sales. How to join the program? There are a few requirements that have to be met in order to have a smart badge next to your offers. What are those requirements? Well, at least five unique positive reviews and 98% buyer recommendations. You need to also correctly send buyer email addresses to logistic companies. You need to pay for Allegro services timely, and you need to meet terms and conditions.
Visit Allegro Academy and find out how to boost your sales. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.